Play Store not working problem solved. Hello guys, welcome back to Random Tech YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix Play Store application not working problem. So before starting the videos, I would like to request you please do hit that subscribe button and give up one thumbs up for the better informative videos every day. So guys, let's start the video. First of all, make sure that your internet connection or Wi-Fi connection is well okay and it's in a good connecting process. That time the bug won't be comes up for this. So the first thing is make sure that your internet connection is well okay and good. And the second point, what you can do here is that you have to go to your phone settings. Okay, let me just go and check it out. You have to go to your phone settings and then you have to go to app management option or install apps option or app anything related to apps. Now here you can see you will find your application which has been installed on your phone. So let me just search for Play Store here. Okay, so you can see here Play Store. Just one thing you have to do here, you have to click on force stop button and then you have to stop the force. So after stopping the force, what you have to do, simply click on storage usage and then you have to clear the cache. Also you have to clear the data also here. So after doing this, here you will see permission options. So you have to allow each and every permission they are asking for. So I have already done. So now you can just go and try it out whether it is working or not. Guys, if it is not working, then no need to worry, I have another solution for you. So what you need to do, you have the third thing is you have to go to your Google Play Store. Like, where is my Google Play Store? You can see here, this is my Google Play Store and it is working. So if it is not working for you, in case in you, then what you need to do, you have to simply click on this area here and then you have to change your Gmail address. So let me just show you. If this is my Gmail address, let me just click here. I have lots of Gmail address here. So you have to change your Gmail address and you can check try it out whether it is working or not. I hope this also will help you out to fix your Play Store not working problem. So guys, I have shown you the three tricks that you can follow, but even if it is not working, then what you can do is you have to go back to your phone settings again. You have to go to your phone settings again and then you have to go to software updates here or anything updates that has been on your phone. So you have to check whether your system is asking, whether your device is asking for an update. So here you can see they are asking for an update, so you have to update your system and then you can check it out whether it is working or not. So in this way you can fix your Play Store problem, and also make sure that you switched off your phone and then re-switched in. After that only you can try it out by after software update. So I hope this video will absolutely help you out. If you like the video, please give up one thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.